Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you have been watching this channel for the first time, thanks for tuning in. Welcome you all. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share and subscribe. Today's video I'm going to make a lovely tea. This is cinnamon leaf. So I'm going to use a leaf. And this is some pimento leaf. This pimento leaf comes straight from Jamaica, from the Caribbean. I'm going to combine both of them and make a lovely tea. This here, cinnamon leaf, is very good for fungal and to treat bacteria, and also good to fight the crave of someone who trying to stop smoking. And this is the pimento leaf. You can also use the pimento berry, but I choose to use this. You can do your own research. This is good to treat rheumatism also, the pimento leaf. And cinnamon leaf, good for blood flow and reduce your blood sugar. So I'm going to combine both of them to make a lovely tea. So stay tuned. So I'm going to add a cup and a half of water. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. So with this tea, you can have it every morning, like have it first thing in the morning. For those who like a bit of honey, get some natural honey and tip a little honey in it, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor if you wish. You don't have to, but that's just personal preference. So I'm gonna let the water boil, and then I'm gonna add a couple of leaves in it. I'll let it boil, then I'm gonna leave the lid on. And also I have a couple lovely smoothie videos coming up during the week. So remember to stay tuned, share, like, and subscribe to all my videos and channels. So this is the cinnamon. Put one in and one of that in. This is very strong, so you don't have to put too much in it. So I'll just put one of each in it, and I'm going to let it boil. As you can see, it's boiling, so give it a couple more minutes. So it's almost ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn it off. Let it sit for a minute or two. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of honey. If you think you need another one, you can add it, but I just need a teaspoon in mine. Then I'm gonna get my strainer. Look at it, it's good to go. This is lovely, nice and fresh and healthy. Please remember to try this tea. You have nothing to lose. All natural and very good and healthy for the body. See how far this is. You can take a little bit more. Very nice. Cheers to you guys. Thanks for watching, and please remember to try this lovely tea. Very nice. Thank you guys. Peace be unto you all.